lovely shot that is. Valentino Rossi, his farewell appearance in Misano. He soaks up the adulation of his adoring public.
The bike is smoking away there. Rossi's last dance in Italy. Quartararo crowned the world champion here as well. What a day.
A pretty good souvenir here, aren't they?
Wow.
Wow, what a souvenir that is.
Good
Valentino
catch.
Rossi's last ever race helmet in Italy.
Wow.
Spectacular. Somebody's won the lottery there.